George Washington University is located in Washington, D.C. The need for technology in the university is to ensure that our students, our faculty and staff have good connectivity to do research, to do their classwork. A lot of students use that as criteria for choosing a university.
Cisco is providing the infrastructure upon which everything else is built. Each student who lives on campus gets their own dedicated Ethernet connection and phone line. Students register online, class notes and syllabi are online. What we've started to roll out recently is wireless and VPN access. So we're using the Cisco AeroNet to provide the wireless access, but to ensure that it's secure and restricted to just university employees and students, we're using Cisco's VPN. We serve students, academics, and staff members. Staff members are traditionally business users. Students sometimes have more creative uses for the network, and academics demand a fair amount of freedom, therefore we can't restrict what they do.
Before we started rolling out the Cisco gear, the network was kind of ad hoc, made up of multiple vendors. We ran into interoperability issues.
The main benefits of working now with one vendor is now we have one platform to manage our network equipment. Cisco had a lot to offer in terms of price and also in terms of support.
Several years ago, the university purchased a building in Ashburn, Virginia, which was adjacent to an existing campus. We moved most of our data center functions to this new building for expansion reasons and for disaster recovery.
The core of the network here is the Cisco 6500 series switches in our data center. This has really allowed us to add a whole new level of redundancy and business continuity to our network system.
I estimated we would need 1 to 2 gigabits of bandwidth just to provide data center functionality. It was going to be a very expensive proposition to move that much data. We could save a tremendous amount of money by providing this solution ourselves. So we leased some dark fiber, bought the 454, and are now saving on the order of $10,000 to $20,000 a month, if not more. The 454 has allowed very high bandwidth using multiple protocols between the two campuses, such that users don't know they're at a remote site.
It's a very robust network. The time to recover was estimated at less than 50 milliseconds. When we failed it actually took 3 milliseconds for the network to fail over and come back up.
The solution we've rolled out is easy to expand and maintain the same topology and reliability that we currently have in place.
The greatest return on the investment would be the increased productivity, increased customer service, increased overall satisfaction.
I would recommend Cisco to other universities. It's very easy to deploy and to manage. I'm happier, my guys are happier, and I have a good sense that the users at large are much happier now.